Hi everybody, Scott Tanner coming to you live right here at Sunset Ford, and I have some very special guests. Not only did I go to high school with this young lady, and we live up here, we grew up on the Oregon coast, but they came and saw me today at Sunset Ford, and I want to talk to you about the experience. What vehicle, this is Dave and Donna, and Bandit, the Sherrills. Now you guys drove from Bothell.
We did, yes.
And you guys were on the website looking for vehicles, and something caught your eye. What was it?
Well, the Toyota Tundra.
And this is it right here.
This is it, yeah.
Now, not just because we know each other.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me about your experience and how it was working with Donnie and so far. How's it been?
Great. It's been a great experience. Donnie's been awesome and showed us everything that we wanted to look at, and so we could get a little comparison to drove a few cars and ended up with the one we came here for in the first place.
That's awesome. Selection was huge.
Oh yeah, very much so.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you do know about warranty protection for life.
Yeah, that was another thing. Was really awesome. I don't have really a worry of how the vehicle's going to be taken care of. So
as long as you own the vehicle.
Yeah, as long as I own the vehicle.
And what about oil changes?
Free for life.
You can't beat that. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And congratulations, Donna. You betcha. Say hi to everybody out there.
Hey, everyone.
Come on down and see what everybody's talking at. You're welcome. Thanks to everybody here at Sunset Ford. Make it a great day and take care. Thumbs up, guys.